configurational isomerism. Under that, we are discussing geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism formed by due to double bond rigidity of double bond means we can't rotate carbon carbon double bond. If you are rotating means this carbon any one of the pi bond going to be break. So this is the partial overlapping. If you are trying to rotate means it will be break this bond. That is the reason we call rigidic character. Now these are the following general cases which we given with respect to carbon. These are if same group same side we can say cis, then opposite means we may can say trans. So you may can write this is cis actually, and trans also you can write opposite. This is A and B, B. So opposite these are, so you can say trans. So this is also can show cis and trans character, but this doesn't show. Both are same groups, and here also doesn't show cis and trans character. I think we can see here this is cis 2 butane because two hydrogen same side or 2 methyl same side. Why cis butane? Because total 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is trans because opposite to each other. That's why trans, but same butane. So we'll discuss properties of cis and trans, which one have more melting point and boiling point also. This is generally more important. Malic acid. So both COH is same side and both OH COH is opposite side means we may can say that is fumaric acid. Remaining also you can identify that one cis and trans. So this is cis, this is trans. Both are opposite to each other. This is cis and trans. So we'll discuss here some points which is regarding to cis malic acid and fumaric acid. Cis malic acid and fumaric acid, how to identify? When we are heating cis acid, it can remove water and form anhydride. Based on that, you can identify cis or trans isomer. Suppose we are heating this molecule, it can lose water molecule. So you may can expect here anhydride you will get. So that can formed by only cis. Cis and trans how can identify? By heating these two carboxylic acids which can form anhydride. Those we call cis compound. Trans compound we are heating doesn't form anhydride. Transform doesn't form anhydride. Understood?
Yeah, sir.
You noted down this point?
Yeah, sir.
That point you can note down. So cis and trans how to distinguish even with respect to anhydride also you can see that one. With respect to acids either whenever acids you can check that point. And you can say dipole moment also here. You can apply same thing for fumaric acid and malic acid also. Here both chlorines are same side, so net dipole moment should be there. But here both the chlorines are opposite direction and net dipole moment going to be 0.
Yeah, sir.
This mu not equal to 0. So trans compounds have 0 dipole moment, but cis have non-zero dipole moment. So suppose I am giving one question, is it true or false? You can give statement. All cis compounds have more dipole moment, more mu than trans. Next, all trans compounds have zero dipole moment. Got it?
Okay, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, so for them to be cis and trans, both of the groups should be same, right?
No need same.
So it has to be CL, HH. It doesn't have to be like that.
No need. That's the correction of cis and trans. We are going to give one more advanced one, EZ nomenclature.
Sir, then trans is not always zero, no?
Yeah. So which of the following statements is true? You can see that one. So
First one's true, second one's false.
both are false only.
Okay.
Both are false. I can prove that one with example. So all means the term is wrong.
Yeah, sir.
Otherwise correct. Remaining cases is correct. Generally you can say that is correct, but all the word they are using that's why wrong. So you can check it here. C double one C H H. This is trans or cis?
Trans.
Trans. But this is the electron withdrawing group, so direction this is the vector
Yeah, sir.
character. And
Yeah,
this
sir.
one
Yeah,
is
sir.
using
Got it.
but trans only. Okay,
Yeah, sir. Say I had the same doubt.
this is CH3 and Cl.
Okay, sir.
This is so which one have more dipole moment in this case? Trans.
Trans.
Trans have more dipole moment. Mu value is greater than for trans. Got it?
Yeah, sir.